what? This is gonna be worse than Adriana's. I can't fuck with no pole. This pole is, I need full coverage. If this pole was car insurance, I would need full coverage. This pole like SR22. When the police pull your ass over in the court, make you get it. That's what this shit is. I don't even know why I got my hand on this pole. I am gonna leave with an STD. Oh God. It's like, now, what do I do with this hand? Do I take it off the pole? Because I feel like if I take it off and then put it back on, that's a whole nother STD. There's people, kids on this pole. I have to take my hand off, take a birth control pill, and then chase it with a Red Bull. They get to my uterus faster. I don't want to be pregnant. Fuck kids. Kids are bad nowadays. Anybody got badass kids they can't stand? That's why y'all here. Normally Sunday is when you have your ass at home folding laundry, but somebody's kid is listening to some shit that we don't understand. Am I right? Hey, you got that, what chip go? He just disappeared. Hey Chip, never mind, go ahead. But I was listening to, my kids was listening to a song the other day. 1738. What the fuck is that? Sing it, what? Oh shit. Gary, Indiana is in the building. Only motherfuckers from Gary and Inglewood really know that song. And the bitches from Roseland sing the other one. Y'all know the other one. But I didn't understand that. I met a bitch, she was fine. I smoked weed with her. I introduced her to my store. She's smoking and cooking crack in a bando. What the